Noticing longer dry times? You could have lint buildup in your dryer vent in Creedmore, North Carolina. Lint buildup restricts airflow, increases energy costs, and creates a serious fire hazard in your home. At Dryer Vent Wizard of Durham, our trained technicians specialize in complete dryer vent cleaning, repair, and professional installation, helping your dryer run safer, more efficiently, and last longer. If you're in Creedmore, North Carolina, now is the time to take action. Call Dryer Vent Wizard of Durham today at 919-642-4608 or visit dryerventwizard.com/locations/Durham/geo/Creedmore-NC.